Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable phone calls for your earbuds Libratone TRACK Air Plus. You have to start by open settings and now go to connected devices. After that open the charging case and remove your left earbud. Now it should be connecting. Click the settings icon near to your earbud and right here we have phone calls. Click on it. Now go back and put it to the charging case, close the case, open it and remove your right earbud. Now click at the settings icon here and click the phone calls also. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!